Remember yung flag natin sa 4-hour time frame? Ayun, ay nandun pa rin siya sa loob ng flag. So, the question is hanggang kailan siya diyan? So, yung mga TIPI traders natin since green cloud ito, meron tayong buy the dip setup na tinatawag. So, aantayin lang po natin ulit, okay, yung green dot and green candle for a possible buy the dip. I don't know kung kailan magbibigay yan. Sa 4-hour time frame yan, ha? And then, after that, let's see kung kaya niya nang basagin tong flag. Okay, kasi kung hindi, baba ka pa ulit. We discuss with you itong SR flip area na 117, pwede niyang i-revisit kung hindi pa tayo babasag. Ngayon, since si Goldie, nagko-correct, pwede lumipat napansin natin yun eh, pwede lumipat yung sentiment kay Toy Beats habang nagko-correct si Goldie. Pwedeng lumipat doon. So, let's see kung over the weekend ay magkakaroon ng ng positive price action si Toy Beats over the weekend. If not, we might just see consolidation inside this flag.